Good morning. It is currently 4:04 in the morning. I'm in Sarasota, Florida, and we are going to go ahead and start my trip. So currently, as my car sits today, it has 26,016 miles on it. I was initially going to drive to Texas and kind of go to the southern western states first, but a change of plans has me going to Massachusetts. So I have some really fun stuff for you guys in store. However, I believe the initial drive is going to be quite boring. So anyway, let's get started. Alright guys, I'm here with my good buddy Ryan, who is pretty much the whole inspiration for this trip in the first place.
Yeah. I said, hey, you might like Alaska. You should go give this a try. And now look where we are.
Here we are. So just taking some pictures of the car at the racetrack.
Could put it in straight.
Yeah, I'll move it.
Such a pretty car. There we go.
Alright, that's fine. Cool, man.
Thanks for meeting up.
Absolutely.
Good luck on your trip, dude.
Thank you.
You're gonna have fun. It's gonna be a great time.
I'm excited. Hello. So, after 16 hours of driving, I actually met up with my buddy Blake at a bar in St. Louis, Missouri, and now I am in Bowling Green, Missouri, and tonight is going to be the first night I spend in my car. So I'm kind of excited, also kind of nervous that I'm not going to be able to sleep, but we're going to find out right now. So I actually have a fan right here. And I have a memory foam mattress, single mattress, and a pillow, and some sheets. So we're gonna give it a shot. Good night, guys. Morning. It's about 6:30 a.m. here, and as you can see, it rained last night, so it's very wet out, and it's very overcast. So I had some fun stuff for you in store today, but it might have to wait until tomorrow, but that's okay. Alright everyone, it is the end of the day here in Bowling Green, Missouri. Spent all day, well, the first half of the day was kind of bleak. It was raining outside and it was cloudy. So actually you guys saw, I went to the park, then got a little confident with my car on some dirt back roads. So my car's filthy now. But anyway, thankfully it did clear up, and I actually got to see some cool planes fly around, get some cool shots, hang out with my friend Blake, who is the reason I'm here in the first place. Actually just shot him a DM on Instagram, and here I am in Missouri. So I'm actually going to be doing a full video, kind of little documentary on him, so be sure to check that out when I put it out. But anyway, we had a lot of fun. Let's see, what did we do today?
We worked on the AdCat. We're putting together a new AdCat, so it's all bare bones right now, putting sheet metal on that, and then we got to see the AdCat, the one that is in action right now. That one he did a load today. We're spraying wheat right now. It's wheat season. The end of wheat season is kind of dying down, but we got to see the AdCat take off and start up and all that kind of stuff. It's a fun plane. It's a turbine biplane. And then we took the Yak out today. He's got a Yak Lvov AT or AT, I'm not sure.
18T, I think.
Something like that.
Yeah.
And it's a Russian fighter trainer, and it actually is a plane that fought in Korea. And so he's restored it all, and we got to go fly in that. Or we didn't get to go fly, but we got to go take that up and get some shots of that, and then watch it do aerobatics over the top of us. We got a private air show, and then we ended the night with a little sunset cruise in the Champ, and so that was a good time.
Cool. Well, again, I can't thank you enough. It's been an awesome experience, and hopefully we'll have more fun times tomorrow.
Definitely.
There's nothing quite like seeing another plane flying by you at like 200 knots while we're like putting along at 60, and he's inverted and I'm trying to get shots, and thankfully it paid off, and I'll show you that shot now. I want to thank Blake for inviting me out here. It was truly an amazing time. He's an amazing pilot, and he's definitely going to do some really cool stuff. I'm going to be making a video actually on him and about him coming out pretty soon, so stay tuned for that, and I'll catch you guys on my next adventure.